Hello, everyone. My name is Anna. Today, I want to tell you about my family. Family is very important to me, and I love to talk about them. Please listen carefully, enjoy my story, and try to learn some new words. I live in a small city with my parents. My father's name is David. He is 50 years old. He works as a teacher in a high school. He teaches math. My father is tall and thin. He has short black hair and brown eyes. He is very kind, and he always helps me when I need him. Every morning, my father wakes up early. He drinks a cup of coffee. Then he reads the newspaper. After that, he goes to work at 7:30. In the evening, he likes to watch the news on TV. Sometimes he also likes to read books. On weekends, he enjoys walking in the park. Now, let me tell you about my mother. My mother's name is Lisa. She is 48 years old. She is a nurse in a hospital. She is not very tall, but she is very beautiful. She has long brown hair and blue eyes. She always smiles. My mother is very busy. She works many hours, but she still takes care of the family. She cooks delicious food. She cleans the house. She also helps me with my problems. In the morning, my mother wakes up at 6 o'clock. She makes breakfast for the family. Then she goes to the hospital. She usually works until 5 o'clock. In the evening, she cooks dinner. After dinner, she likes to talk with my father. Sometimes she watches TV. Sometimes she reads a magazine. I also have one brother. His name is Peter. He is 20 years old. He is a university student. He studies computer science. My brother is very smart. He can use the computer very well. He likes playing computer games. He also likes reading about technology. He is tall, like my father. He has short brown hair and green eyes. He usually wears jeans and a t-shirt. Peter is very friendly. He has many friends. Sometimes he goes out with his friends. Sometimes he stays at home and studies. In the morning, he wakes up at 7. He eats breakfast quickly. Then he goes to the university. He usually comes home in the afternoon. In the evening, he studies in his room. He reads books and works on his laptop. Sometimes he plays the guitar. He is good at music too. I also have one sister. Her name is Emma. She is 16 years old. She is a high school student. My sister is very beautiful. She has long black hair and brown eyes. She is shorter than me, but she is very cute. Emma likes fashion. She likes wearing new clothes. She likes shopping for shoes and dresses. She also likes taking photos. She is a very cheerful girl. She smiles a lot. She laughs a lot. She talks with her friends every day. In the morning, She goes to school at 7:30. She comes home at 3 o'clock. After school, she does her homework. Then she talks with her friends on the phone. In the evening, she likes to listen to music. Sometimes she dances in her room. Sometimes she sings songs. She is very funny, and she makes the family laugh. My grandparents do not live with us. They live in the countryside. Their house is about 2 hours from my city. My grandfather's name is John. He is 75 years old. He is retired now. Before, he was a farmer. He likes to work in the garden. He grows vegetables and flowers. My grandmother's name is Mary. She is 70 years old. She is also retired. She likes cooking and knitting. She makes delicious cakes. She also makes warm sweaters for the family. I love visiting my grandparents. Every summer, I go to their house. We eat together. We walk in the fields. We talk and laugh a lot. Now, let me tell you about the things we do together as a family. On weekdays, we are very busy. My father goes to school. My mother goes to the hospital. My brother goes to university. My sister goes to high school. I also go to work. But in the evening, we usually eat dinner together. We sit at the table. We eat rice, meat, and vegetables. We drink tea or juice. We talk about our day. Sometimes we laugh. Sometimes we share problems. It is very nice. On weekends, we spend more time together. Sometimes we go to the park. We walk and talk. Sometimes we go shopping. Sometimes we visit our grandparents. We also like to watch movies together. We sit in the living room. We watch a comedy or a family film. We eat popcorn. We laugh and enjoy the time. Sometimes we play games together. We play cards. We play board games. We play badminton in the park. It is always fun. Family is very important to me. My parents give me love and support. My brother helps me when I have computer problems. My sister makes me happy when I feel sad. My grandparents tell me interesting stories. When I feel tired, my family gives me energy. When I have problems, my family helps me. When I am happy, I want to share with my family. I think family is the most important thing in life. Family gives us love, care, and happiness. This is my family. My father, my mother, my brother, my sister, and my grandparents. We live together, we eat together, we talk together, and we love each other. Every day, they make me happy. I am very lucky to have such a wonderful family. Thank you for listening to my story.